Good morning, children. Welcome to Sanskrit session. We will start our today's session with Subhashitam. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. Udyam is effort or hard work. Siddhyanti means accomplished. Karya means work. Manorathaihi means by wishes. Suptasya Sihasya means of sleeping lion. Pravishanti means enter. Mrugaha means deer or animal also. So the meaning of this verse is works are indeed accomplished with efforts and not by mere wishes. Beasts or animals do not enter the mouth of the sleeping lion. Children, even the king of the jungle has to make efforts to search for his prey and to satisfy his hunger. This verse tells you about the importance of work or efforts. Today we will study Ayadi Sandhi. Children, there is no matter available in your book for Ayadi Sandhi. So I have given this information about Ayadi Sandhi. When the vowels A, O, I, OU come at the end of a pad, means at the end of a word, if there is A, O, I or OU and that word is followed by any vowel, they change into aya, ava, aya, ava respectively. This is known as Ayadi Sandhi or Ayavayava Sandhi. The final ya and va of this sandhi are combined with the following vowel and result into ya and va respectively. Optionally, the final ya and va is dropped. After the dropping of ya and va, there is no further sandhi between the preceding and the following vowels. Now I will explain how this sandhi takes place. When vowels a, I, o, au, any one of them comes at the end of any word and it is followed by any vowel of the next word. At that time, we replace A with aya, O with ava, I with aya, au with av, and sandhi takes place. In Ayadi Sandhi, we have two answers. When ya and va is dropped, we get another answer. After dropping of ya and va, we get two separate words and no further sandhi takes place between these two words. Now we will solve sandhi given uh, in the topic Pathat Avgachat of page 29. First word given over here is Samipe plus Eva. First we will revise rule. When A or I is followed by any vowel, we will replace A with Aya and I with Aya. First example is Samipe plus Eva. The word Samipe ends with A. This A will be replaced by Aya. We will take out A separately and then we will replace this A with Aya. Now, Pahalanta plus A will be complete Pa. Yahalanta plus A will be Ye plus V. Samipa Yeva will be first answer. And we will get second answer when this Ya will be dropped. At that time, we will have two words. Samipa Eva. And there will be no further sandhi in Samipa Eva. They will be as it is. First answer will be Samipa Eva. Second answer will be Samipa Eva. Next example is Krute plus Ayahi. Krute word ends with A. We will take out this A separately. Krutahalanta plus A plus Ayahi. Now this A will be replaced by Aya. Now we will join all these three words. Kruta will be as it is. Uh, sorry. We will join all these three words. Tahalanta plus A will be complete Ta. Yahalanta plus A will be Ya. So the word will be Krutaya Yahi. And the next answer will be when we will drop Ya. When we will drop Ya, at that time we will have Kruta Ayahi. And there will be no further sandhi between Kruta Ayahi. First answer will be Krutaya Yahi. Second answer will be Kruta Ayahi. Children, in exam, you are not supposed to solve sandhi like this. Here I have solved all the words so that you can understand properly. In exam, you will be given any one word of sandhi. When we dissolve this sandhi, we get two words. In exam, you will get one blank over there and you are supposed to fill up that blank. For example, sandhi word is chapi. Chapi is equal to cha plus api. You can get blank in the first word or even in the second word. You can get blank uh, either in the first word or in the second word. And you are supposed to complete that, fill up. That much is expected from you. Only you are supposed to know the two words which are formed when we dissolve sandhi.